Hey, what's up? It's James. And I'm gonna explain to you guys why all local businesses need some type of software to help them. And when I talk about software, I'm not just talking about custom built software with software engineers. What I'm really talking about is software that helps these businesses with automations. Now, all business owners need software, whether they know it or not. And software can include websites, ads, email automations, SMS text messages, online payments, tracking and analytics, missed call text back. The thing about selling software is that you're able to attach yourself to the company and be a pillar in what they use every day to automate processes and make their life easier while helping their bottom line. The first thing a company cuts when times get rough is their marketing contracts. So if we sell software to these companies instead of traditional marketing agency services, then you have more security because you're part of their everyday process that helps them run their business. Now, the whole point of software is to work smarter, not harder. So when we sell these services to these clients, we're going to automate systems for them that we set up once and then they run automatically. So you can see the benefit in this while you get monthly reoccurring revenue from these said services. Have you ever heard the term work on your business, not in your business? Well, selling SaaS helps us do that because creating automations puts it on autopilot. So then we can focus on getting more sales and more clients while all of our previous sales are running in the background with minimal effort to maintain. And these services help out companies tremendously. Any company that's not utilizing the cutting edge marketing software that I'm about to show you is falling behind. Now you may be asking, how do I find these clients? Well, I'm gonna bring you guys over to Google Maps over here, and we're just gonna take a place I've recently prospected in Iowa. So Des Moines is one of the bigger cities in Iowa. Now go up in the top left on Google Maps and just go ahead and we're gonna do personal trainers. Now, what this does is this shows you the results on the left side where you can get their website information, directions. It has their Google My Business attached here. So this is what Google looks at when somebody registers a business with them. It gives the phone numbers, their website, etc. So I found a few websites I'm gonna pull up and show you how easy it is to prospect for these clients. All right, this is Stretch Solutions Company, and their logo is very, very small. As you can see, this website looks like crap. So it has a booking page, it has my booking. I can't even read this text. It blends in with the background. So I can't even really get to any of this information. When I try to read it, I can't see it. Now we scroll down, we have, I think this is cupping, floor stretching, and these don't even really look like buttons, but I just clicked one and it is a button. Now, this is the end. They do have an Instagram plug at the bottom. Now, if we want to see if this website is mobile enabled, we go ahead and just press F12. It looks like it is mobile optimized, but at the same time, it's just so poorly designed that if I landed on this website, I would go and find a new website. So this is somebody that you can contact right away and create a website for them in little to no time. Here's another one I found. It's called Seymour Health and Fitness. Now, very outdated if you just look at it. Let's check if it's mobile optimized, hit F12. It is not mobile optimized. So do you see how I have to click and drag here? This is how it would look on my phone. It is just horrible looking. Can't read any of the ad copy. I don't even see a clear call to action anywhere. Let's go back to the website. Log in. Why would I need to log into a fitness website? That just makes no sense at all. I don't see anything I can click here. The services, it has no services I can click to see if I can go into it. Personal training, group training. Let's see where this goes. Personal training. Okay, so they have some pictures here. Looks like they've just dumped a ton of images here. Looks like they do have an email grab all the way on their second page, which you need to have this email grab, phone number grab up front. It has to be on your landing page. When it's hidden behind a page like this, then you're never gonna get anybody to fall through your funnel. All right, let's go back. I found another one here that is just awful. And this was just in one city. You can do this with any city in America and start building a list of prospects to go ahead and contact and start selling them websites for anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. And you can do this from a template. As you can see, this one is very, very small, has all of these tabs up here. The only real thing they need on this page is an email and a phone number grab. You don't need anything else on here. Somebody's gonna want to get in contact and see some pricing, and that's about it. Here, let's go to their plans and pricing. 120 for a 10 class punch card, 10 session pack, 600. Looks like they bring you to some type of checkout. It doesn't even look very good. Now I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to build a website using Go High Level. Now go over to Go High Level and hit sites on the left side, then go to new funnel on the right and then click from templates. Now, Go High Level does a tremendous job at providing very high quality funnels that are already pre-built. All we have to do is go in there and change a few things around for that specific location. So on the left side, we'll just click health and wellness, and I'll show you guys the one I've been using to prospect with. It's right here. So you just go ahead and click this and go to continue. Once we've added the template inside, it's gonna open up the funnel builder. This is one of the easiest funnel builders I've ever used, and I've used probably 10 to 15 of them. Webflow is too complicated. WordPress is way too complicated. ClickFunnels is a little better. Go High Level has so many other softwares built in, so you can go ahead and upsell other services to these clients once you sell them the website. So for example, this is gonna pop up, very easy to do here. It's gonna show you the make an appointment button. Let's say we wanna just change that to a conversion color, which it should be green. That looks a lot better. You can turn on button effects like glow, as you can see there. Now, let's just scroll down a little bit. As we can see in here, there is a really cool AI feature built into Go High Level. For example, read my story. I'm the creator of training programs, personal coach, and a writer. We just click into this box and hit this AI button right here and generate with AI. Personal training, ad copy. And then you just hit generate, and the AI is automatically going to create all of these different ad copies you can do. There's 3 variants. Unlock your potential with expert personal training. Our dedicated team is passionate about empowering you to achieve your fitness goals. With personalized workout plans, nutrition guidance, and unwavering support. We're not just a service, we're your partner in transformation. Join us and sculpt the best version of yourself. Start your journey today. All you have to do is hit copy and then continue, and it's gonna go ahead and plug that into this element. Go here, we'll change this to a conversion color, which is green. And like I said, you can make it glow. Let's do button effect. We can just do bounce if we want. So that kind of jumps out to them on the screen. Let's keep scrolling down. This is a really good element to have in here where it shows all the different services. We change this color again to a conversion. There's a challenge here. Now, if you don't want any of these elements, you can come in here and quickly just delete them, and that will make it a better landing page. Here, you just go ahead and change the open search box, and then you find wherever this is. It was in Des Moines, Iowa. Just gonna go ahead and do that. Just save. It's gonna bring that into Des Moines. That looks a little more professional. You just come in here and change the address, change the email, change the phone number, what times they're open, change those down here as well. Very simple, and just hit save. Now, once you get this pre-built, all you have to do is call up these 3 companies. You're gonna take this one website and then you're going to prospect with it. You're gonna find these 3 companies that we just went over, and you're gonna call them and you're gonna say, hey, I just built you guys a new website. Do you have time today or tomorrow to hop on a call and I can demo it? And most of the time, people aren't ready to receive value up front. They're thinking it's gonna be a sales call. So when you say you've already built them something, there's a very high chance that they're gonna hop on a call with you. This is the same technique we use to land 3 to 5 clients per week out of 15 booked appointments. Now on this demo call, all you have to do is go over the website that you made for them. You can hit this little icon here. You just scroll down and say, this is what we built. It's gonna help increase your conversions. You're gonna get your emails automatically sent to you as people fill in the forms. And then once you've sold them as a client for a website, then you're gonna sell them more services. Now what I have here is a 10K a month website strategy. I've shown you where to find paying clients. I've shown you the outreach method, just cold calling them. I've shown you how to build free websites from a template. I've shown you how to create the demo call and how to get them on a Zoom call and then go ahead and demo the product that we built once to demo to multiple gyms. Then later down the road, once you sell them the website, you're gonna check in a few weeks. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna say, hey, I just wanna let you guys know that we just released an AI chatbot that talks to people that are on your website and will help close people and get them into your gym. It can offer them specific promotions and chat with them and close them. Then you can offer them that for $300 a month. You can also offer them missed call text back, database reactivation campaign, lead nurturing email sequences, Google My Business review request sequences. And if you have more advanced skills, you can go ahead and sell them Google ads, Facebook ads, charge $1,500 a month to manage those for them. And then make sure you bake in some monthly recurring revenue at $150 per month. This is the exact strategy that we use to scale our digital marketing agency to over 10K a month. If you want to take the next step in selling software to local businesses, I have a free course and community with a link down below. You can go ahead and join this community for free, and I help agency owners start and scale their businesses with everything that I've learned scaling mine. If you become a Go High Level affiliate of mine, I go ahead and import my snapshots, my websites, my automations that I'm using currently to land 3 to 5 clients a week, so you can do the same thing as well. I hope you guys got some value from today's video. I'll catch you in the next one.